Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector banks in the country. Cybersecurity is one of the key things which keeps us awake. An event which is very unlikely to happen. The moment it happens, the reputational impact can be quite huge. And that's how we as an organization are trying a lot of experimentations with GCP. So it's like an insurance.
Anybody who wants to tread the path of digital transformation, there has to be a component of cloud into it. We started off with data centers. From data centers, we moved on to cloud infrastructure. Me and my team involve ourselves into a lot of threat hunting activities, a lot of security research, and all the hard work which had to be done by me or my team shifted to the cloud service providers.
The way Google Cloud is designed, the way services are available, it scales automatically. So we run whole of NoBroker with 2 DevOps engineers. You can't really run your own data centers, and it doesn't make sense to run your data center. You need to do the cost benefit analysis, and that's when you really look into something which can take care of all your infrastructure. We are hitting new peaks at NoBroker in terms of traffic, business, revenue, everything. Because of Google Cloud, the security, the infrastructure, and the services which are available.
I'm always thinking about growth. How do we grow our business? How do we grow our technology stack without breaking the bank? I came across a plethora of tools and services that Google has, and that makes me think how easy it is going to be for any company's migration or modernization into the future. I'm very excited about India as a growth story. With the support ecosystem that Google has, it's going to change India forever.
There is a stress around the current macroeconomics conditions at large, and how do you run with less? You have to monetize your product by doing co-creation, co-working with platforms like Google so that you can scale your business, scale your applications without really worrying about your legacy or monolithic infrastructure.
For about 2 decades, I've been in e-commerce and finance, purely about data. Data continues to remain the oil, but it has a different byproduct, which is generative AI and all of those transformations that are happening. The mundane things are going to go away. People are going to become more and more smarter, either by using the data or using the AI that is being worked upon the data.
I see Google Workspace as the new generation platform for the workspace. I mean, currently working with a lot of Gen Z people, right? Pretty large wish list that they have. They say, hey, these enterprise applications are good, but according to our thought process, it should have XYZ parameters. It is all AI going forward. So be with the new digital age technology, and that is Google Workspace.
From our engineering days, we all use Gmail. And now it is for the enterprises. Google Cloud, it has helped us to stay in that safe environment. Security is a biggest concern, not only for our own employee, for their safety security, and for the customer. So today's big takeaway, we continue to remain with Google's safety and secured platform. Take courage, plunge into it for tomorrow's becoming a champion.
Your cloud journey is something that is worthwhile. So many problems can get simplified, like the approach towards productivity, the approach towards security. We can look at better experiences. We can look at better outcomes. We can apply the combination of technology and business acumen to deliver results.